President Bongbong Marcos rejects a proposal to increase the penalty for illegal parking. Here's the report.
Heavy traffic remains a problem on most roads across Metro Manila. One of the reasons is illegal parking. That's why the Metro Manila Council issued a proposal to increase the penalty to 4,000 pesos from just 1,000 pesos. But this was rejected by no less than President Bongbong Marcos.
While I understand the intention behind the proposal, I've decided to prioritize discipline over penalties. Ang bagong Pilipino ay disiplinado. By focusing on individual responsibility, we can create long-lasting solutions to our traffic challenges.
The MMC has yet to comment on the matter. Prior to this, Marcos granted a grace period of 1 month for the e-vehicle ban. But this doesn't mean that they are already allowed on major roads.
Pinagsasabihan sila at itinataboy pa rin sa kalsada. At nire-remind na bawal pa rin silang dumaan doon sa mga major thoroughfares na nakalagay at nakasaad doon sa ating Metro Manila Council resolution.
The MMDA also plans to put up exclusive lanes for motorcycles to ease traffic. For News 5, Maricel Halili, We Are One News.
Ako lang, hindi ako agree na isuspend yan. Ito ang yung logic behind it. And minsan kasi napag-aralan ko yung how a culture or how a society learns how to discipline oneself. Take Singapore for example. Nung unang earlier days ng Singapore, nung paangat pa lang sila, very harsh ang mga punishment nila for spitting, chewing gum, vandalism. Meron sila yung caning system. Yung pag may ginawa kang mali, pinapalo ka ng
Grabe. I know that.
maliit na stick for as simple as chewing gum or littering.
Spitting, oo.
But eventually na-phase out na yan. But look at the ugali ng mga Singaporean ngayon. Na-adapt nila yung mga behavior ng mga sinaunang Singaporean of discipline because of fear na maparusahan. So ngayon, in general, naging nature na lang nila just to follow rules. So ngayon, in order for us Filipinos to follow rules, baka naman we need to inculcate a high penalties para naman may motivation ka to follow the rules. Anong motivation mo? Ayoko magbayad ng malaki. Diba,
Kasi 1,000, kayang-kaya ko yan eh, diba?
Diba ang psychological makeup ng person, people respond to motivation. Motivation of fear, motivation of reward. Diba? Motivation of fear, ayoko magbayad ng 4,000. Susunod na lang ako sa batas. So that could have been a motivating factor for us to follow.
Remind, lang natin for context, klaruhin natin kasi hindi siya suspended pero hindi lang pinayagan ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos in-approve yung 4,000 supposedly na fine, 'di ba, sa mga illegal parking. So babalik ito sa 1,000 pesos, which is yun nga yung punto mo, parang sa iba na kayang-kayang 1,000 pesos, okay lang, no, na mag-break ng law. Pero feeling ko, itong si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, para siyang para siyang yung magulang na, di ba sinabi niya, Filipinos are capable of being law-abiding motorists. Parang nilalambing niya muna ngayon yung mga Pinoy na alam niya kaya niyong sumunod, di ba? So, tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari.
We're capable
diba?
naman. Actually, anyone's capable. But you have to remember, kahit anong pang nationality mo, 'di ba? We all respond to stimuli. We all respond to motivation. 'Di ba? Dalawa lang ang motivating.
Yung di ba? Take into example yung busway.
Oo.
'Di ba? Magkano yung
Lahat sila sumusunod. Ang laki. I don't remember. 5,000 ba?
Before kasi mababa lang, tapos
Walang
tinaasan
sumusunod.
nila. Walang sumusunod, 'di ba? Kasi babayad na lang kasi. Babayad na lang tayo dahil okay lang naman.
Ngayon, no less than si Chavit Singson na wag niyo ako tutularan, ha. 'Di ba? Dumaan ako sa busway Si Almasan nahuli, 'di ba?
Tingnan natin ngayon na implemented pa rin niya na 1,000 lang yung fine, 'di ba? Doon sa mga illegal parking. Tingnan natin kung gaano karami, no? Kailangan natin ng datos para 'di ba ma-support yung argument natin.
Ito case in point, MMDA officers, very konti na lang ang mga balita lumalabas na kumukuha sila ng kotong because may deterrent ka, may CCTV cameras ka na.
Nakikita na no?
Nakikita. We're not saying hindi kaya nila magbago. We're just saying may deterrent, may motivation sila. Ay, magbabago na ako kasi baka mahuli ako, then nakikita ako, masira pa yung trabaho ko. Ganun lang yon.
Tignan natin, ha?